Hi kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. Today you are going to continue work with prefixes. So we're going to be identifying the base words in our words and talking about what the prefixes mean. So let's start with that first. I'll go ahead and I'll write what these prefixes mean next to their words. So dis means not or opposite of. Mis means to do something wrongly. That will help you with the meanings. And pre means to do something before. So we'll be thinking about those words combined with the base words as we go ahead through this list. So let's go ahead and get started. We have disagree, mistreat, disable, preteen, preview, disloyal, discomfort, disappear. Then we have misspell, dislike, premature, misplace, dishonest, misbehave, pretest, and misjudge. Then we have preschool, prefix, mismatch, discover, preheat, precious, disobey, and precaution. So your sort will be fairly easy this week because you will clearly see the different prefixes for each of your words. But really understanding the meaning of those words will be the challenge. So let's look at the prefix dis. We have your base word, which is agree. So agree is the base word. We're adding the prefix. So this means to not agree or opposite of agreeing. Then you have misspell. Now this one's interesting because you have two S's here because the base word starts with an S and you're adding a prefix that has an S. Then you have preschool. Your base word is school. Pre is the prefix. Obviously this is before you go to real school. It's kind of like that pre-kindergarten class or pre-K. So going ahead and finding the correct color and to do your color sort is going to be easy. You might have to either ask Siri or look up words that you don't understand the meaning of or talk to your teacher or parents. There is one oddball this week. We have the word precious here. We do not have a base word here, as you can see, before the pre. C-I-O-U-S is not a real word. So that will be your oddball for this week. All right, if you have any questions, please raise your hand, especially if you don't know the meaning of a word. Now's the time to ask. Happy sorting.